Hi Chance, how are you? I hope you are doing the exercise regularly. Today we are going to talk about the Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses. Besides being a great cardiovascular workout, Surya Namaskar is also known to have an immensely positive impact on the body and mind. Surya Namaskar is the best done early morning on an empty stomach. Each round of sun salutation consists of two sets, and each set is composed of 12 yoga poses. Beside good health, Surya Namaskar also provide an opportunity to express gratitude to the sun for sustaining life on this planet. Some important guidelines before you begin Surya Namaskar. Each asana should be done synchronizing the rhythm of breath and body movement. Bending and stretching should be done only slightly more than the level of comfort, and overdoing any asana could also bring injuries. A light warm up, example stretching exercises, must be done before doing any yoga to prevent muscles injuries. It is advised to start the session in a slow rhythm and then slowly increase the speed. Yoga is advised to be done at the time of dawn or morning. However, it isn't compulsory. When you feel comfortable, you make move on the next step of asana. It is always beneficial to chant the mantra. However, it is not mandatory. We begin our Surya Namaskar with the step 1, prayer pose, that is Pranamasana. Stand at the end of your mat, keep your feet together, and distribute your weight on both feet equally. Open your chest and just relax your shoulder. Breathe in and lift both your arms up from the side. Exhale and bring your palm together in a prayer position in front of your chest. Step 2, raise arm pose. Hasta Uttasana. Breathe in and lift your arm up and back. Make sure that your biceps are close to your ears. Make efforts to stretch your whole body, starting from the heel up to the fingertips. Step 3, hand to foot pose. Hasta Padasana. Breathing out and bend forward from your waist while keeping your spine straight. Exhale and completely bring your hands down to the floor beside your feet. Step 4, equestrian pose, that is Ashwasanchalanasana. Breathe in and push your right leg as far as possible. Bring your right knee to the floor and slowly look up. Step 5, stick pose, Dandasana. Breathe in and take your left leg back. Bring your whole body in a straight line. Step 6, salute with the 8th part, that is Ashtanga Namaskar. Gradually bring your knees down to the floor, then exhale. Slightly take your hip back and slide forward. Relax your chest and chin on the ground. Elevate your posterior a little bit. The 8th part of your body, including 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 knees, chest and chin, shoulder, touch the ground. Step 7, Cobra pose, that is Bhujangasana. Slide forward and raise your chest up into the Cobra pose. Keep your elbow bent and fixed in this pose. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Slowly look up. Step 8, Mountain pose, that is Parvatasana. Breathe out and lift your hip as well as your tailbone up. Put your chest downward to create an inverted V pose. Step 9, Equestrian pose, that is Ashwasanchalanasana. Breathe in and bring your right foot forward in between the 2 hands. Bring your left knee down to the ground. Press your hips down, then look up. Step 10, hand to foot pose, that is Hadasana. Breathe out and bring your left foot forward. Keep your palm on the ground. You can bend your knees if you feel some discomfort. Step 11, raise arm pose, that is Hasta Uttasana. Breathe in and roll your spine up. Make your hands go up and bend backward a little bit. Push your hips slightly outward. Step 12 prayer pose, that is Pranamasana. Finally exhale, bring your arms down and stand upright in a relaxed manner. Feel the positive vibration within your body and mind. Experience an unparalleled serenity and refreshment. Among the many benefits of regular practice of sun salutation, here are few prominent advantages. Improve concentration, enhance memory power, increase energy level, physical strength, calm and focused mind, happy state of being, higher efficiency, increased learning capacity, and very essential nowadays, better immune system. These are sequence-wise 12 asanas of complete Surya Namaskar. Various chants, mantras to be done during Surya Namaskar. Om Mitraya Namaha, affectionate to all. Om Raveya Namaha, causes of all changes. Om Suryaya Namaha, who induces all activity. Om Bhanaveya Namaha, who diffuses light. Om Khagaya Namaha, who moves in the sky. Om Pushneya Namaha, who nourished all. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha, who contains everything. Om Marichaya Namaha, who possesses Raga. Om Adityaya Namaha, God of gods. Om Savitreya Namaha, who produces everything. Om Arkaya Namaha, fit to be worshipped. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha, cause of luster. So my dear champs, I hope that you will do Surya Namaskar every day at home and experience its benefits. Thank you. Take care and have a nice day.